5x. Find x minus 1 by x. Second one, x cube minus 1 by x cube. So 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. Two into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x means we have to find out x minus 1 by x and x cube minus 1 by x cube. So we have to do something with this 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. So 2 we can take down. X square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2x. Okay. Is it okay now? We need 1 by x. So denominator we need x. 5 by 2x means what? X square plus 1 is equal to 5x by 2. That x is in the numerator. Here also what? X means x square is in the numerator. But for finding this, we need denominator x now. So what we can do? Up to this right now. 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. That is x square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2 x. Turn off your video. Nia, turn off your video. Okay. Dividing, next step is dividing both sides by, tell me. Dividing both sides by x or x square. We can do with x. We can try it, no? X square plus x1 by x is equal to 5x by 2 divided by x. That means what? X square. X is common for x square and also for 1. Isn't it? Is equal to 5x by 2. That division will become what? Division symbol. Division x no, divided by x. That division x will become what? Into 1 by x. So x we can cancel. X we can cancel. Here what happened here? X 1x and here also 1x we can cancel. X plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2 we got. X plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. From this, if we divide by x. If we divide by x square, what will happen? If we divide by x square. Suppose, instead of dividing by x, think of that. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to what? Don't write anything. 5 by 2
divided by
x square. Both sides we have to do with the x square. So, x square by x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 5x by 2 into 1 by x square, isn't it? X square we can cancel it as 1 plus 1 by x square is equal to x cancel 5 by 2 by x, 5 by 2x. So can we do with this? For which one? So which one we have?
X
Divided by x or divided by x square?
divided by
x only. Understood. Directly we got which one? X plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. We want to find out with x cube and x minus 1 by 2. With this we can do something. No, we will get the answer. So first we have to think which number we have to, which variable we have to divide, x or x square. So now it's okay, no? Now you understood which number you have to divide. Which one? X or x square? X square, if we divide, we won't get anything. No, we can't do anything. Further steps we can't get. No, we will not get the further steps. So dividing what? Dividing both sides by, dividing both sides by what? X. Understood? Right. dividing both sides by x. So left side x square plus 1 divided by x is equal to 5x by 2. I think instead of this by symbol, we can write divided by x symbol, no? That is better, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one is convenient? Division symbol or by?
Division symbol is enough, ma'am.
Okay, division symbol. Okay. So x can be written as x by 1. No, x means x by 1. You can write another step if needed. So x square plus 1 divided by x is equal to 5x by 2 divided by x can be written as x by 1. After studying, you can avoid these steps. Okay. So that means x we can divide, x square, we can give this to x square and also to 1. So we can split that. X square by x plus 1 by x. Any doubt in this step? Is it clear, no? Is equal to 5x by 2. That division will become multiplication. X by 1 will become 1 by x. Write down up to this. After that, I will explain. Any doubt, please tell me.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. So x square, x cancel. So x only in the numerator plus 1 by x is equal to, here numerator denominator 1x will cancel. So remaining we will have only 5 by 2. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. X plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. What we have, that only we have to square or cube, then only we will get the values. No. X minus 1 by x we need means x minus 1 by x the whole square we need. Isn't it? For that we need to do something with this. X plus 1 by x. What we have that we have to squaring both sides. Usually we are doing that now.
Yes, ma'am.
Squaring both sides. What will happen to this both sides? X plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 5 by 2 the whole square. So this will be what? Tell me. X plus 1 by x the whole square. Left side. A plus b whole square form.
X square plus 2 1 by x 1 2 x into 1 by x.
X into 1 by x. You have to do that step now. Okay. Plus 1 by x.
Square. 1 by x.
Okay, 25 by 4. Then x we can cancel. So x square plus 2 plus
1 by x square.
1 by x square. That square is common for both x and 1. So 1 square means 1 itself. So we will write 1 by x square is equal to 25 by 4. Then x square plus 1 by x square. Take that 2 to the right side. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 25 by 4 minus 2. LCM. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So LCM will be what? 25 into 1. 25 minus 4 into 2, 8 by 4 into 1, 4. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 25 minus 8. 25 minus 8. 17 by 4.
17.
X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 17 by 4. Let it be there. We have to find out x minus 1 by x. No. So for that, what we have to do? If we take the root, then only we will get x minus 1 by x. We have the formula what? X minus 1 by x the whole square. Why we are taking this? Since we have to find out which one x minus 1 by x. So same way, same as x plus 1 by x the whole square. How can we write x minus 1 by x whole square? X square
plus 1 by x square minus 2.
Minus 2. X square plus 1 by x square, we got 17 by 4. 17 by 4 minus 2. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 17 by 4. Hmm. 17 minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 4. So x minus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 9 by 4.
9 by 4.
So x minus 1 by x will be what? Take only positive number. Okay, x minus 1 by x. Plus or minus equal to plus or minus 3 by 4. For doing the x cube minus 1 by x cube, take only positive. X, that is x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 2. Then how can we find out x cube minus 1 by x cube? Hello, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what? Sleeping.
Cubing both sides. Cubing both sides.
Cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. So x minus 1 by x the whole cube is equal to 3 by 2 the whole cube. A cube. This is in the form of what? A minus b the whole cube. No. Is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So same. A stands for x, b stands for 1 by x. So answer what we can write here. X cube minus square into 1 by x plus 3x into 1 by x the whole square minus 1 by x the whole cube equal to 27 by 8. Better I won't do. You do the calculation and find x cube minus 1 by x cube. That is better. After that only I will explain. If you are not getting this, tell me which part you have doubt. Completed? What is going on there?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
So x cube, then x and x square we can cancel. So only x will be
Minus
here.
3x
That
plus 3 by x
means what? This is what?
3 by x
Square.
plus
So
3 by x
then plus x
minus 1 by x cube.
1 by x cube is equal to 27 by 8.
25.
Then x cube minus 1 by x cube we have to find out. So take it together. X cube minus 1 by x cube minus x plus 3 by x equal to 27 by 8. Okay. Then next what we have to do? X cube minus 1 by x cube we have to find out. 27 by 8
Bracket minus 1 by x.
minus x minus 1 by x we have. So
3.
that value we have to substitute, isn't it? Or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 3
So,
minus
3.
3.
So x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3. X minus 1 by x value is what?
3 by
3
by
by
2.
equal to 27 by 8. Then x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into 3, 9 by 2 is equal to 27 by 8. So x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to 27 by 8 plus 9 by 2. LCM. 8 and 2 LCM. 8 no. Nothing to do. So LCM is equal to 8. Since it is 27, that's why I didn't multiply 27 into 2. Bigger number, no, so better do LCM. Lower classes LCM, that is better, I think. Plus 9 by 2 into 4 by 4. Anyway, if you are multiplying using Vedic max means LCM using Vedic max means no problem. You can do. Plus 9 fours are 36 by 8, isn't it? So it will be x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to 27 plus 36 is 63 by 8. Check the next back answer, whether it is in a mixed fraction or not, check it. This answer, no? Any doubt in fifth question? Which part doubt? Tell me.
No doubt, ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 6. If a square plus b square is equal to 34 and ab is equal to 12, find 3 into a plus b whole square plus 5 into a minus b whole square. Second one, 7 into a minus b whole square minus 2 into a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square is equal to 34. We have.
Answer is same only.
Huh?
Text back answer is same only, not in mixed fraction.
Okay, 63 by 8. Okay. So sixth question, a square plus b square is equal to 34. ab is equal to 12 we have. So separate calculation we can do. We have to find out first part is what? 3 into a plus b whole square plus 5 into a minus b whole square. So first we can do a plus b whole square. Next we can do a minus b whole square. After that we can multiply by 3 and 5. Then addition. Do it separately. Okay. Then it will be easy. Sixth question. First find a plus b whole square. Substitute the values given. You will get a plus b whole square. A square plus b square we have what? That we can do together. 34. AB is equal to what? 12. We have to find out 3 into a plus b whole square plus 5 into a minus b whole square we have to find out. So for finding 3 into a plus b whole square plus 5 into a minus b whole square, first we can do a plus b whole square. Separate. Then after that we can multiply by 3. That answer we can multiply by 3. So answer we have to write like this way. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square we have value. So take it together, then 2ab. Which is equal to a square plus b square is what? Is there in the question? 34. Plus 2 into
34.
ab is what? 12. So a plus b whole square is equal to 34 plus 24. So a plus b whole square is equal to what? 58. Isn't it? So 3 into a plus b whole square will be what? 3 into 58. Or from here you can write. Up to this is enough. Okay. A plus b whole square is equal to 58. After that we can substitute. Right now, a plus b whole square is equal to. A plus b whole square is equal to 58. Similarly, do a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Same way, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Substitute the value and find out a minus. Then only we can substitute here. Do it. What will be a minus b whole square? Today all are very dull. What happened?
No, ma'am.
Not active. Any exam marks you got?
No, ma'am. No.
Then what? Very dull, not responding anything. I don't like this type of classes. I have a tendency to yawn. That's the main thing. If you are like this way means I too wish to sleep. Huh? Can't hear you. Who said that?
Ma'am, today chemistry exam is there.
Oh, that's why. So in between you are studying chemistry.
No, ma'am.
Huh? Both work together doing.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We are
Usually in our offline class, no, I know the 7th, 6th
ma'am,
standard.
we will turn our videos on.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. We will on the videos.
We will turn our videos.
I'm trusting you all. I know you are a good students. I know it very well. You won't do that.
So,
Anando.
ma'am, ma'am.
Studying chemistry in between.
No, ma'am.
Very tough chemistry, tough. That's right.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then what?
Easy only.
Max
That's
means okay. Max means you can say, oh, max means it is tough. You can say that. Max is tough. No. So you can sit like this way. Sitting like gloomy. But chemistry is easy, I think. For as a 8th standard student, chemistry will be easy.
Ma'am, got a minus b whole square.
Okay. A minus b whole square will be equal. 34
34
minus
minus 2
12.
into 2.
Minus
34 minus 24 is equal to 10.
is equal to
10.
10. Okay. So we have to substitute here. 3 into a plus b whole square plus 5 into a minus b whole square. No? So we have to write that. Write down 3 into, therefore 3 into a plus b whole square plus 5 into a minus b whole square is equal to 3 into, what value we got? 3 into 58 plus 5 into a minus b whole square, 10.
$174 plus 50.
And answer.
$224.
224. Same way, do the next question. Same. The second one. I will write only the answer. Okay. Huh? The second one. Do it. I will write only the answers. Okay. 7 into a minus b the whole square minus 2 into a plus b whole square. We have a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Now simply substituting only. No? For exam you have to do, but now you do a minus b whole square. Just simply substitute a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Then what value you are getting? 7 into minus 2 into.
Seven into 10 minus 2 into 58.
7 into 10 minus 2 into 58. So 70 minus 2 into 58 is
60.
100.
120.
60. Okay. Then
Negative 96.
negative
96.
96.
76. 446. 46, ma'am.
Negative 46. Okay. Then one more question we can do. 7th question. That you have to explain to me. 7th one. 3x minus 4 by x is equal to 4. X not equal to 0. Find 27x cube minus 64 by x cube. So if we do something with that 3x minus 4 by x, we will get 27x cube minus 64x by x cube. Think what we have to do.
Cubing both sides.
Very good. So 7th one, 3x minus 4 by x is equal to 4. If we cube, that means 3x the whole cube is what? 27x cube. It is there in our answer, no? We have to find out 27x cube. Same way 4 by x, if we cube, it will be what? 4 4s are 16, 16 into 4, 64 by x cube. So these two parts are there in our what finding, no? Find the 27x cube minus 64 by x cube. It is there. So only thing what we have to do is cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. That is x cube. Here also x cube we have. So 3x minus 4 by x, the whole cube you have to do, which is equal to 4 cube. Then I will give you time. Do it. I want to check whether you are getting or not. Simply a minus b whole cube, do in the working column. A minus b whole cube, a square, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Instead of a 3x, b 4 by x. So write that formula in the working column. Just copy that formula and do this calculation here itself. Doubt? Anyone? You will try or I want to start?
We will try.
Okay.
We will try.
Okay. I will start. So this is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So 3x the whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b
4 by x plus 3 into 3x into 4 by x square
X square.
b
plus
square
minus 4
minus
minus 4 by x whole cube.
is equal to 64.
60.
So 3 square 3, that is 27x cube.
Cube.
So this 3x the whole square we can write it as what? Minus 3 into 3 square 9x square into 4 by x plus 3 into 3x into 4 square 16 divided by x square minus 64 by x cube is equal to 64. Up to this okay for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Okay. Then next 27x cube. Then x square and x we can cancel. Then only one x will be there. Negative sign. The number 3 into 9 into 4. 4 3s are 12 into 9. 108. Yes or no? 108 or not?
Yes, ma'am.
108. Then next
144 divided by x.
okay. So this means x we can cancel. So denominator 1x will be there. Then 3 into 3, 9 positive. 9 into 16. 144. So 144 by x no, minus 64 by x cube is equal to 64. Up to this, okay. We have to find out 27x cube minus 64 by x cube. No, so take it together. Minus 64 by x cube. Remaining 108x plus 144 by x is equal to 64. Up to this you have completed. Then
Yes, ma'am.
what we have, that way we have to adjust. So which value we have, then what we have to take common.
Plus 36.
Plus 36. If we take plus 36, you will get what?
3x minus 4x.
3x minus
4x.
4 by x.
4 by
36.
huh? Is it correct? Positive into negative. We want the negative, no?
Negative 36.
Negative 36. Okay. Negative into positive, negative, negative into negative, positive. Now it's okay. Instead of 3x minus 4 by x, we can substitute that value. It is there in the question, no? That we can substitute. That value is what? Question 64 by x cube minus 36 into, it is there in the question, 4 is equal to 64. So 27x cube minus 27x cube minus 64 by x cube minus 36 into 4. 144 into 144, no? 144. So 27x cube minus 64 by x cube is equal to 64. Then negative 144 take to the right side, so it will become positive 144. So 64 plus 144, 1 second.
208.
Right.
So 27x cube minus 64 by x cube is equal to 208. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
This will be-
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you.